Okay, now we'll come to types of ensembles. So firstly, we know a system or assembly is group of particle collection and ensemble is collection of systems. ಹೌದಾ, ಒಂದು system ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are number of particles and ensemble means what? Again the number of systems. Okay, and there are three types of ensembles: micro canonical ensemble, we can write that as MCE, canonical ensemble CE, and grand canonical ensemble, which we can say that as GCE, right? So there are three types of ensembles: micro canonical ensemble, grand canonical canonical ensemble, and grand canonical ensemble. Okay, right. So now we'll come to micro canonical ensemble. You can write up if the question is like this, write about all the three types of ensembles, means you can write what is ensemble, how many types of ensembles, and this description. It's enough for you. Okay, right. Then we'll come to micro canonical ensemble. So firstly, here there is a condition for ensemble. Okay, what is the condition? Means macroscopically the system should be identical. Macroscopically the system should be identical means all the particles are, or all the systems are identical in the ensemble. For example, in the ensemble there are 6 systems, means all the systems are having the same macroscopic properties, that is energy, volume, number of particles, temperature, and mu, that is chemical potency. All should be same. Okay, all should be identical, and the system should be independent with each other. All are identical. For example, there are 2 systems like this. These are the 2 systems. In the 2 systems, energy, volume, number of particles, temperature, mu, all, that is chemical potency, all should be same, but they are independent with each other. Okay, these 2 are the important condition for ensemble. Okay, that means independent means there is no interaction between these 2 systems anta heltivi. Okay, and again we are having 3 ensembles: micro canonical, canonical, and grand canonical ensembles. Okay, we'll come to micro canonical ensemble. So here micro canonical ensemble means we can say which is a small ensemble. Okay, and canonical ensemble we can write that as a normal type of ensemble. Grand canonical ensemble we can write that as a big ensemble. Okay, right. So micro canonical ensemble. In this micro canonical ensemble, in all these ensembles, in some of the macroscopic properties should be constant. Okay, so here in this microcanonical ensemble, E, V, N are constants. That is energy, volume, and number of particles are constants. That means in any of the systems, in this, for example, this is the ensemble and these are the systems. In any type of ensemble, these should be constants. There is no change in the energy of this. There is no change in the volume of all these systems. There is no change in the number of particles in all these systems. There may a change in the temperature. There may a change in the chemical potency, but there is no change in EVN, that is energy, volume, and number of particles. So all these are the systems, right? So we can write these systems there. EVN are constant. So we can write here EVN. Okay, EVN, energy, volume, and number of particles. Okay, here in this, each system separated by rigid separated wall. Okay, each system is separated by rigid wall. So no particle, and that means what? They are rigid and they are insulated. That means what? No particle and energy transfer. Okay, if we say this is point number 2, and we can say point number 3 is what? No, there is no particle, okay, and energy transfer takes place. Okay, no particle and energy transfer takes place. Why? Because this is a rigid wall. Okay, and which is we can say this is insulated, and also this is what? Impermeable. Okay, impermeable, that is rigid, insulated, no particle can move or no energy can move. Impermeable, there is no particle can jump from one system to the other system. Okay, right? So we can say for microcanonical, which is a small type of ensemble, EVN are constants. Okay, each system separated by rigid and separated wall. Okay, or each system are separated by rigid wall. Separated by rigid wall. Okay, each system is separated by rigid wall. There is no transfer of particle, so automatically no transfer of energy, and EVN are constants here. So this is what microcanonical ensemble. So microcanonical ensemble, if you want to write about this microcanonical, which is a small type of ensemble, EVN, energy, volume and number of particles are constant here. Okay, and they are separated by a rigid wall which is insulated and impermeable. So because of this, what happens, no particle and energy transfer here. Okay, so because they are separated by a rigid wall, which we can say this is a microcanonical ensemble, right? And the second one is what, canonical ensemble. Come to the canonical ensemble, there are TVN or constants. TVN means temperature, volume, number of particles. TVN or constants here. You can write another system also here, no problem. Okay, so first one is TVN are constants, second one is we have to draw this diagram, and third one again the each system separated by rigid, impermeable but conducting wall. Okay, each system is separated by rigid, impermeable, okay, conducting wall. Okay, this is conducting wall. Because of this conducting wall, okay, because of this conducting wall, what happens here, because of this conducting wall, there is thermal conduction takes place, right? Thermal conduction takes place between the systems, so that there is change in energy. So energy is not constant here, and here this is a rigid, okay, but the wall is conducting wall. It is impermeable, means no what a particle can move from one system to the other system, but it is a conducting wall. That means there is a change in the thermal conduction. So thermal conduction takes place between one system to the other system, but there is no change in the temperature. Okay, there is no change in the temperature of the system, because temperature can transfer from one system to the other system, but thermal conductivity takes place. Okay, but temperature is constant here. Because of this conducting wall, there is a change in the energy. So we can say, because of that, there is no energy constant. Energy is not constant here. This is about canonical ensemble. So canonical ensemble is a normal type of ensemble where temperature, volume and number of particles are constants, and this is separated by a rigid, impermeable conducting wall. Because of the conducting wall, there is a thermal conductivity takes place between the systems, so there is no change in the there is a change in the energy. Okay, that is what this is a canonical ensemble. Next, the third one is what, grand canonical ensemble. So grand canonical ensemble means which is a big type of ensemble, and here TV mu are constants. What are TV mu? Temperature, volume and chemical potency. These are the constants here, and each system separated by what, this is 0.2 and 0.3 is each system is separated by rigid, permeable, okay, rigid, permeable and conducting wall. Rigid, permeable and conducting wall. So rigid, okay, but rigid means what, this is fixed, they cannot overlap, right? And rigid, permeable. Permeable means what, number of particles can change from one system to other system. That's why there is no n here. ಹೌದಾ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಟು ದ ಅದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲ್ we are having totally E energy, okay, V, N, T, mu are the macroscopic properties. ಹೌದಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಸೊ E and N are not constants. So N is not constant as this is a permeable. Permeable means N, the number of particles or the particles can jump from one system to the other system. So when the particle jumps from one system to the other system, okay, what happens? There is a change in the energy. As well, it is a conducting wall. What happens? There is a change in the thermal conduction. There is a thermal conduction. As there is a thermal conduction, the energy also changes. So there is so energy is not constant here. So this is grand canonical ensemble. So grand canonical ensemble means we can write that as it is a big type of ensemble where temperature, volume and chemical potency are constants, and you have to draw this diagram. Then these systems are separated by rigid permeable conducting wall. Because of permeable wall, there is N is not constant here, and as it is conducting wall, thermal conduction takes place, so energy is not constant here. Okay, these are the three types of ensembles: microcanonical ensemble, canonical ensemble and grand canonical ensemble. Okay, right.